Do animals need to brush their teeth? Many people have questioned if animals need to brush their teeth. There are people who argue that animals just do what comes naturally, and others who argue that the animals should be given the proper resources to take care of their oral hygiene. If you're an animal lover and also want to know if there's any evidence supporting the claim that they need to brush their teeth. What is an animal toothbrush? An animal toothbrush is a tool that has been designed to help clean the teeth of an animal. It is often made from bamboo or other natural materials. The bristles are typically made from horse hair, cat hair, or dog hair. It can be used on dogs and cats, but not horses because their teeth are too hard. A typical design of an animal toothbrush includes a handle with two handles with bristles attached to each end, and one or more holes in the middle for holding water to clean the teeth. An animal toothbrush is a toothbrush that is made to resemble the teeth of an animal. It can be made out of rubber, plastic, or metal, and it is designed to be used with children. An argument for or against animal brushing their teeth. The argument for or against brushing animals' teeth is a controversial one. Some argue that it is inhumane to brush animals' teeth and will cause them unnecessary stress, while others argue that it is a necessity and they should be given the same care as humans. The debate continues to rage on, with no clear answer as to which side is right. Many people believe that brushing your dog's teeth is a waste of time and should be avoided. This video argues that brushing your dog's teeth is not only a good idea, but it can also make them feel better. In the past, animals were not given any attention for cleanliness, which led to many health problems. However, in recent years, there has been an increasing awareness of animal care and maintenance. With this change in attitude towards animals, people are now more likely to brush their pets' teeth than before. How do animals decide when they need to be brushed? When animals start to shed, they need to be brushed. This is because the animal's fur will get matted if it is not frequently brushed. Animals also need to be brushed when they are shedding due to the weather or for their health. Animals that are always kept indoors should not be brushed as often as those who live in the wild. When animals decide to groom themselves, they do so in order to remove dirt and parasites from their fur. This is an important process for the animal because it helps them to stay clean and healthy. Brushing animals can be a difficult task for humans. It requires a lot of time and patience, especially if you have multiple pets that need grooming. However, there are some tools that can help you with this task. Brushing is a daily activity for most people. This task becomes harder when animals are involved. Animals have their own ways of brushing, and it can be difficult to determine when they need to be brushed. Brushing is a necessary activity in keeping animals healthy. But what makes them decide when they need to be brushed? Animals are not always able to tell when they need to be brushed. They might just feel uncomfortable or restless and may even start to scratch themselves excessively. The best way for them is by following their natural instincts. What is the debate over whether animals need to brush their teeth? There is a debate over whether animals need to brush their teeth. Some say that it is not necessary for them, and others say that it is a good habit to have. The debate over whether animals need to brush their teeth has been going on for some time now. There are those who believe that brushing an animal's teeth isn't necessary because they don't have the same bacteria in their mouths as humans do. There are also those who believe that brushing an animal's teeth will help them maintain healthy and strong teeth because it helps remove any plaque buildup from the tooth surfaces. It has been proven by scientists from the University of Florida that dogs with tartar buildup in their mouths had less plaque buildup on the gums than dogs without tartar buildup, which means they had better breath quality and fewer dental issues. The main reason for this is because the bacteria in the mouth can cause gum disease and other health problems if it isn't removed. There are many different opinions on this topic, but one thing that is agreed upon by most people is that brushing your pet's teeth should be a routine part of your pet's life. Debate is the word used in this context, and the debate over whether animals need to brush their teeth is an ongoing one. How do animals brush their teeth? The answer to this question is a bit complicated. The process of how animals brush their teeth is different depending on the animal species. Some animals have very different ways of brushing their teeth. For example, some animals use their tongue to scrub their teeth, some use a bristle brush, and others use their paw. The animal with the most unique way of brushing its teeth is the elephant. Elephants do not have a toothbrush, so they rub their tusks on the ground to clean them. Animals with hard, rough tongues often use a combination of licking and chewing motions to clean their teeth. Some animals use their tongues to scrape off food from the surface of their teeth, while others use a toothbrush-like tongue that has bristles for cleaning. Animals with soft, fleshy tongues often use water or saliva to clean their teeth. They also may lick or wash food away from the surface of their mouths with water or saliva before they begin chewing it again. Brushing animal teeth versus using toothpaste on animals' mouths. Brushing animal teeth is a common practice that has been used for a long time to keep the animals healthy and clean. On the other hand, using toothpaste on animals' mouths is a recent trend that has gained popularity in recent years. While both practices are effective, there are some differences between them. For example, brushing animal teeth helps remove debris such as food particles and plaque, while using toothpaste on animals' mouths removes debris, but also leaves behind some of its own ingredients which may be harmful to an animal's health and well-being. If you have a pet dog, you should brush its teeth at least once per week. If your dog doesn't like toothpaste, you can use some hydrogen peroxide to clean their teeth. The use of toothpaste on animals is a controversial topic, as some people believe that it is cruel to use toothpaste on animals. However, there are also many who argue that it is the best way to help keep their teeth clean and healthy. There are many ways to brush your dog's teeth. Some people use toothpaste and some use a water-based solution. Some people brush their dog's teeth with a toothbrush, while others use their fingers or a damp cloth to wipe away the tartar from the back of their canine friend's mouth. Some people brush their dog's teeth with a special tool that resembles a toothbrush, while others might use an actual toothbrush on them as well. The most important thing is to make sure that you are brushing your pet's teeth, and not just wiping away the tartar in its mouth. Should animals brush their teeth when their dentists have dental treatments? The answer is no. Animals should not brush their teeth when the dentist has dental treatments. If the animal has a toothache, they should visit the vet. Dentists recommend that animals should brush their teeth after they have had dental treatments because it prevents plaque buildup and tooth decay. However, if an animal brushes its teeth during a dental treatment, it can cause harm to the patient's gums and teeth. Dogs, cats, and other animals should brush their teeth when their dentists have dental treatments because it can help to prevent dental diseases. Many people are concerned about the effects of anesthesia on animals. Some veterinarians believe that anesthetic drugs can cause permanent damage to the brain and nervous system in animals. The most common anesthesia used for veterinary procedures is isoflurane gas, which has been shown to cause a reduction in brain blood flow and oxygen levels. This can lead to reduced motor function in animals. Animals should be allowed to brush their own teeth because they have the instinct and know how to do it. Conclusion: for do animals need to brush their teeth? No, they don't. Animals have their own natural teeth that clean themselves. Animals need to be groomed, but toothbrushing is not required.